100 yards, pain on the ground. What went into your offensive success here tonight?
I think we just relaxed and went and had fun and just did our jobs and just took it one play at a time. And so I think I'm just so proud of our team for showing up today. Had 16 seniors playing their last game here today, and so it was a big deal to come out here, play really well on offense, go get a win. So proud of our guys.
All right, so you're going to remember the score of this one, but you're also going to maybe remember that penalty they've been showing on the broadcast. Are you still reenacting that? You're making sure the refs know what happened?
Yeah, I mean, he had his hand up in my face mask trying to choke me, and so I trying to get him off, but, you know, tough deal, whatever.
Thanks so much, Josh. After 2 losses, 2 wins, a great bounce back, 8-win season. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Appreciate y'all.
It's eaten him alive.